Good morning guys! So today may mini road trip tayo from Lethbridge, Alberta going to Sparwood, BC. So almost 4 hours yung biyahe. So our itinerary for today is first stop, McBride Windmill, second stop is Lundberg Falls, and yung last stop is yung Axle Truck in Sparwood. So road trip muna tayo habang nagdadrive tayo through the beautiful southern Alberta views. Perfect day for an adventure. Finally, andito na tayo sa McBride Windmill. Grabe, ang lamig kasi mahangin. As in, perfect windmill weather talaga. Kaya medyo nahihirapan kaming lumabas ng sasakyan para magpa-picture. Pero syempre, go pa rin kami for the photos. A little trivia lang, no? Yung windmill is ginagamit to grind wheat into flour. Gamit lang ang wind power. So, renewable energy before pa nauso ang electricity. Super ganda ng countryside vibes. And ang cool isipin, hangin lang. May flour na agad sila. First stop, very worth it. Okay guys, we're now here at Lundberg Falls. Grabe, sobrang maulan nung pumunta kami, kaya wala masyadong tao. Sobrang lakas din ng hangin, kaya nahirapan kaming magpicture.
Raining! We're here at Lundberg Falls. Lundberg Falls! Bye!
Alam niyo ba na this waterfall has historical significance? So dati, ginagamit ito ng mga indigenous people for fishing at bilang meeting spot sa paligid ng Crowsnest River.
Nawala yung antok ko Nawala yung antok ko. Sa lamig
Peter.
Ito yung dito pag may yelo.
Ganito, malamig. Right now, we're driving here at the Crowsnest Pass, Alberta, and yung bundok na nakikita nyo, that's the Turtle Mountain. And if you look closely at the mountain, may kita nyo yung malaking bahagi na parang napigtas or nabawasan. That's the visible scar on Turtle Mountain. Yan mismo yung gumuho noong 1903 na mas kilala ngayon sa tawag ni Frank Slide. Mukha siyang peaceful, pero this mountain was the cause of one of the most tragic natural disasters in Canadian history. A little trivia. Noong April 29, 1903, bandang 4 ng madaling araw, habang tulog yung karamihan sa maliit na mining town ng Frank, biglang bumigay yung malaking bahagi ng Turtle Mountain. So sa loob ng 100 seconds or less than 2 minutes, mahigit 90 million tons ng bato yung bumagsak pababa. Tinabunan nito ang ilang bahagi ng town, pati yung railway line. Around 70 to 90 people yung namatay. May ilan na hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin talaga nahahanap. Isa sa pinakamalaking dahilan kung bakit bumigay yung bundok ay dahil sa sobrang pagmamine ng coal noon. May mga mining tunnels kasi sa loob ng bundok. Habang hinuhukay nila ang coal, humihina yung loob ng mountain. Sa labas mukhang solid, pero sa loob, unti-unti na pala siyang nagiging unstable. Nature will always reminds us kung sino talaga yung mas powerful, but at the same time, it also shows how strong the communities can be. Iba pala talaga pag nakikita mo na mismo yung ganitong klaseng history. Hindi lang siya kwento, parang mas nagiging totoo na siya pag nandito ka na. Minsan, hindi lang scenic views yung hinahanap mo. Minsan, mga stories din. Okay guys, so andito na kami sa Sparwood, British Columbia at naglalakad na kami papunta dun sa sikat na Axle Truck or should I say, the Giant Truck. Grabe oh, malayo palang kita mo na agad siya. Sobrang laki. Para lang siyang regular truck pero naka-zoom in ng 100 times. Fun fact, no, itong truck na ito ay kilala as the Terex 3319 Titan, one of the largest mining trucks ever built in the world. Dito lang siya nakadisplay sa Sparwood, BC. Guys, tignan nyo yung gulong, mas malaki pa kay mama. Matangkad pa kaysa sa tao. Imagine kung gaano kalaki yung mina nung pinagtatrabahuan nila noon. Ginagamit ito for coal mining dito sa area, kaya bagay na dito siya nakadisplay. Parang symbol na rin siya ng mining history ng town. Grabe, ang laki. Pauwi na kami from British Columbia going to Alberta nung nadaanan namin yung welcome road sign ng Alberta. Nandito lang pala siya located sa Crowsnest Pass. Tagal ko nang hinahanap nito. So, nag-take lang kami ng mga pictures para lang din meron kaming remembrance na nadaanan namin to.
Welcome to Alberta! Woohoo!
And that's a wrap ng aming road trip from Alberta to British Columbia. Kumain lang kami sa Sushi and Thai. Buffet siya na gagamit ka ng tablet to order. Galing.